Croatia, the heartbeat of Adriatic splendor. Croatia, a dazzling jewel adorning the Adriatic coast, pulsates with the lifeblood of tourism, fueling nearly a fifth of its GDP. This enchanting realm where ancient cobblestones echo with modern footsteps, bridges the past with the present, transforming retail vistas, invigorating manufacturing, and blossoming into seasonal paradises of employment. In Croatia, tourism weaves a vibrant tapestry of economic resilience, casting it as the nation's crowning export achievement. The year 2013 marked a turning point as Croatia, with open arms, welcomed its embrace of the European Union, setting the stage for an unprecedented surge in visitor numbers. Annually, over 10 million souls are drawn to Croatia's shores, lured by its intoxicating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Leading this pilgrimage are the people of Germany, Slovenia, Austria, Italy, and Poland, each contributing to the mosaic of international admiration for this Adriatic sanctuary. Croatia's tourism soul resonates most vividly along its breathtaking Adriatic coastline, a storied region steeped in the grandeur of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. It was here that aristocrats once sought refuge in the sun-drenched embrace of the sea, laying the foundations for today's premier vacation spots. The inception of luxury tourism in Croatia is symbolized by the opulence of Opatija's first Grand Hotel in 1890 and the historic elegance of Dubrovnik's Imperial Hotel, heralding a new era of coastal and island resorts that cater to every desire, from lavish relaxation to serene privacy. But Croatia's call to the sea ventures beyond the shoreline. Its network of marinas serves as gateways to nautical adventures, making it a haven for sailors and maritime enthusiasts. The allure of the Adriatic, coupled with the cultural riches of medieval coastal cities, elevates Croatia to a pedestal of cultural tourism. Here, amidst a backdrop of festivals, architectural masterpieces, and centuries-old traditions, visitors find themselves enveloped in a narrative that spans the ages. Croatia, with its sunsets painting the Adriatic in hues of gold and crimson, is not just a destination, it's a voyage through time, a celebration of resilience, beauty, and cultural harmony. Here, tourism is the melody that harmonizes with the rhythm of the waves, inviting all to explore its depths, to revel in its history, and to bask in the glow of its enchanting coast.